How to use estate planning made simple properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Estate planning is essential, but most beginners make mistakes that can cost their heirs time, money, and stress. You won't believe how often people overlook simple but crucial steps. The first mistake is skipping key documents. Wills, trusts, powers of attorney, and healthcare directives are all critical. Missing any of these can leave your estate vulnerable to disputes or probate delays. Another common error is not naming an executor or trustee. This person manages your estate or trust, and choosing someone unreliable can lead to mismanagement or conflict. Many users also ignore legal requirements. Each state has rules about witnesses, notarization, and document format. Failing to comply can make your estate plan invalid. Surprising mistake is overlooking digital assets. Online accounts, cryptocurrencies, or social media profiles need clear instructions to prevent access issues after your death. Finally, beginners often fail to update their plan. Life changes like marriage, divorce, or new children require adjustments. Regular reviews ensure your plan stays current and effective. To properly use estate planning tools, include all necessary documents, appoint reliable executors or trustees, follow legal requirements, address digital assets, and update your plan regularly. Avoiding these mistakes ensures your wishes are honored and your loved ones are protected.